2 and 3 by 5.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the last class we did convert improper.
No, I haven't
Yes, these 5 problems, those who did not complete, you complete it fast within 2 minutes. Then I will come to the next one. Please complete it fast. 2 minutes. 1:11 you have to stop writing.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, last day we have to do the exercise.
These 5 problems you complete fast. Then I will tell you next step. Yes.
Everyone.
Did you understand this, all of you?
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
First one I got 11 by 5.
11 by 5. Yes. Who is that now?
Ma'am, last day.
13 by 5 you will get it. All of you got it first problem correctly?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, later.
Second problem. 3 and 2 by 7 you can write it as 3 into 7. 21 plus 2 divided 23 by 7. This is the second problem.
23 by 7.
23 by 7. All of you completed second problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand how to convert?
No.
Adidev, did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second problem, how many of you are not completed? Don't see this and write. You have to see here. Because you have to draw the line completely. Don't see there because this line is not there completely there. Did you complete the 2 questions? All of you completed 2 questions. Yes.
All of them.
No, ma'am.
Who is writing still?
Adidev.
Adidev is writing still. Yes, Adidev, you can write it fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when will you send the notes of these?
I sent already these notes.
Okay, ma'am.
I send it. But answers are not there. Only questions I wrote because answers are not so satisfied. Not, yes.
Okay.
Notes I send the note.
But you didn't send this one.
3 and 1 by 4.
Ma'am sent this one. Ma'am sent.
But it's not there.
13 by 4. Did you write it?
Right.
Now write then.
Now write it. Those who did not complete, you can write it now. 13 by 4.
Finish.
Third question.
Don't say finish.
Anyone is remaining not completed? Anyone is there not understood? You can tell me. Raise your hands.
No,
Don't
ma'am.
say.
No, ma'am.
No. Mixed
No,
conversion of mixed fractions into improper fractions. Shall I go to the fourth question now?
There is no.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we can do
ma'am.
And 1 by 8. 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is
Plus
16.
1.
17
Plus
by
1,
8.
17. By 8.
Yes, Juvan, any doubt?
Ma'am, Juvan wasn't present in the few classes before.
He was present, only that, who is that?
Ashwini.
He asked me the notes of the fractions.
Ma'am, my net was very slow, ma'am.
Very low, okay.
I'm
So
already.
I can't understand them.
already sent the note.
Yes,
Finish
2
now.
and 1 by 8, you can write 2 into 8
Ma'am,
plus
finish
1
now.
divided by 8. Did you write it?
Finish
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Yes, 4 questions over. Now, no more confusion. Please don't talk because if you are talking, it is very difficult. 4 and 1 by 4. You can convert 4 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1 divided by, so I will get it as 17 by.
17 by 4.
That is the way to convert mixed fractions into improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Proper fractions.
Somebody's house crow is crying. Please mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute your audio.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Finished. This much all of you understood.
Ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Don't say, only raise your hands. Because in saying it will waste 10 minutes. Okay, very good. They started raising the hands. Srihari, please mute. Siddhi, please mute. Because I should mute from here. If I am muting only yesterday, who was able to talk? Next. Okay, next one. This much all of you understood because very important
Yes,
to do in the
ma'am.
next exercise.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
next
ma'am,
one you can write. Conversion of
Ma'am, is the slide missing?
Fraction.
Ma'am, is the slide missing?
conversion of improper fraction.
Ma'am, is the slide missing?
Ma'am, you prepared a different slide for
Slide. Yes,
the
ma'am.
following improper fractions in
Conversion of
right?
improper fraction into
Yeah,
mixed
but ma'am
fraction.
showing it.
Ma'am, improper.
Yeah, but ma'am's writing.
Improper spelling is wrong.
Proper. Okay,
Oh
P-R-O-P-E-R.
my God. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Mixed fraction. Conversion of improper fraction into
Yes, ma'am.
mixed
First
fraction.
question. My first question.
7 by 2.
First
First question 7 by
7
2.
by
That
2.
finished. That finished, ma'am. I finished.
Second question.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
the first question.
listen, wait. Srihari, please mute. 7 by 2. Adidev, how will you convert? 7 by 2. How will you convert?
7 by 2.
7 you have to divide it by 7. If you are dividing by 2, you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 have to write at the top. 2 4s you cannot take because it will come 8. So 6. Then 1 is the remainder. So you write it as, what is the quotient answer you are getting? You write it as a complete
3 and
number.
1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2.
3 and 1 by 2.
Is it clear, Tanvi?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Janika, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it clear?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Manu,
ma'am.
not understood?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yes,
that.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, it is clear.
Rayan, Joy. Aditi, not understood?
No, ma'am. So the remainder will be the numerator of
Remainder will be the numerator. Divisor will be the denominator. And what is the quotient? It will become the
Quotient will
complete
be
number.
the whole
Will be
number.
the whole number.
If you are converting this, you will get the improper fraction. If you can see, convert and see now. 3 into 2, how much?
6.
3 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 into 2 is 6.
7
6
by
plus
2.
1. 7 by 2. That one only you took here.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is the second question?
Second question I will give you 10 by 3.
Is that how we will check?
No need of checking. Simply I told. You will
No,
get
ma'am.
it.
I just asked.
10 by 3. You can convert 10 by 3 as a mixed fraction. Tanvi, are you following? Pages are there with you? Yes. Okay. 10 by
Can
3.
share the board. I want to see the questions.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finished. Please mute.
Ma'am, please don't.
Please mute. Those who are completed, please mute. If anyone telling, others will get distracted, so please don't disturb others. Completed all of you? Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana, what is your answer you got?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3 is the whole number
Yes.
and 1 is the denominator.
No.
Huh?
Ma'am, 1 is
I told them by mistake. Okay, 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. I think all of you understood now.
Yes, ma'am.
Third question you can write 15 by 2. 15 by 2.
15 by 2.
Yes, we should write in class notes.
Yes,
right?
this one you have to,
Yes,
you can write in
class
class
notes.
notes. 15 by 2.
15 by 2.
Yes, Niranjan, what is the answer you got?
7 and 1 by 2.
Okay, 2 you will get 7 2s are 14. 7 and 1 by 2. Okay, very good. Next one, fourth one. All of you completed. Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the third one?
Third one is 7 and 1 by 2. Answer. 7 2s are 15.
Wait, I can't read.
Okay, shall we go to the next question? Fourth
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
17 by 3.
What?
17 by 3. 17 by 3. Shall I repeat all the questions afterwards? No one will say. 17 by 3.
Ma'am, is the mixed fraction for the third question 7 and 1 by 2?
7 and 1 by 2 now. Ah, yes. 15 by 2, correct.
Siddhi, the third question is 15 by 2.
15 by 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't complete the third one and second one.
15 by 2.
Second one is 10 by 3 and the third one is 15 by 2.
7 and 1 by 2 you will get.
7 by 2. Yes.
Ma'am, can I put the answer? Ma'am, can I
Fourth
put
question
the
is
answer?
17 by 3.
Ma'am, can I see the answer, ma'am?
Third one, right? 15 by 2.
Ah, yes, third one is 15.
Ma'am, so second one? 10 by 3.
Second one is 10 by 3. Yes, if you are having any doubt, I will clear, but don't talk unnecessarily. Yes, Mayur, no, then Avantika, what is the answer you got?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer you got for it?
3 and 3 by 2.
No, 3. More than that you can take. 17, 3, 3 4s, 3 3s are only 9.
I got 5 and 2 by 3.
5 into 5
5
you
and 2
can
by
take.
3.
Yes.
5 and 2 by 3.
5 3s are maximum you should take. Lesser than this. Then you can take 5 as the quotient, 5 as the whole number, 2 as the numerator, 3 as the denominator. 5 and 2 by 3. Adidev, is it okay now? Today
Yes,
you are
ma'am,
understanding. Okay.
But I don't understand how to make mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now you see, can I call you?
Mixed fraction, you multiply this 2. 5 into 3 plus 2. Multiply this complete number with the denominator, then you should add the numerator with it. Fifth one you can write 11 by 2. Fifth one you can write 11 by 2.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished.
Ma'am, answer for the fourth question.
Answer for the fourth question is 5 and 2 by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanvi, what is the answer for this fifth question?
What is the fifth question, ma'am?
11 by 2.
Ma'am, we need to divide. Ma'am, can I say result?
Yes, Risa.
Ma'am, Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi. She will say the answer. Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, we need to add 2 into 5.
Risa is
5
answering
into
or
2.
Tanvi is answering now?
Ma'am,
Okay, 2
5
into
into 10.
5.
10.
6 you cannot take because it will become 12.
12.
So
Then
10.
10.
So the complete number is 5. 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator.
Ma'am, can I say next one, ma'am?
Yes, I think all of you
Can I say
understood
the
now.
next one, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Anyone
say
is
the
having
next
doubt?
one?
Not Mano, please mute. Please mute now. Yes, anyone is having doubt? No doubt. Yes. So next type of topic we can go for.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, who is having doubt?
Ma'am, Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, it is 15 by 3, right?
Which one? 15 by 2.
Third one.
15 by 2. 15 by 3 is 5. It is a complete number. No need of doing. 15 by 3 is 5. You will get it. Then it will not come as a fraction.
Okay, ma'am. I wrote 3.
Okay, now we mute it.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing, ma'am?
Yes.
Sarah?
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, will you send the notes today?
Which one?
Ma'am, she's asking, will you send the notes of fraction 2
I
today?
already sent it. You can see the WhatsApp.
No, ma'am. Today you have taken some right that.
Today's notes, ma'am.
Today's notes, only questions I will send because this fractions writing it is difficult.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Some questions I will send to you. So today's next topic, please don't talk. If you are having doubt, you can ask now afterwards. Okay, listen carefully. Next one, we are going to convert. How will you add two mixed fractions and how will you subtract the mixed fraction? That is our next topic. How will you add and subtract? Already you are knowing it. But only thing, first you have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction and then you should add these two. So just now I will give some example. If you are understanding, we can
should
go
do in the rough book.
In rough book you can do it. One question.
Yes.
One question you do it in rough book and see if you are able to do it. We can.
And fourth question.
First question I will tell you.
Fourth question is 17 by 3. Fourth question. Ma'am, what is the
Question 17.
What is the question, ma'am?
2 and 1 by 2 add. Listen carefully. If you are everyone is understanding, we can do in class notes. Only one problem or two problems are sufficient. Please listen. This one you do in rough book and see. No need of
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here there are two mixed fractions. Listen carefully. There are two mixed fractions. What is the first mixed fraction? Dhanvin.
2, 1.
Dhanvin, what is the first mixed fraction?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 and 1 by 2.
2 and 1 by 2. How will you convert it as an improper fraction?
Ma'am, we should.
How will you convert now?
Can I say Manu? Manu.
Yes, Manu.
Yes, ma'am. So 2 and 1 by 2, ma'am. 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2.
Yes, we will get it as 5 by 2.
3 and
Anyone
1 by
is having doubt here? First mixed fraction, you converted as 5 by 2. First mixed fraction, you converted as 5 by 2. Did you understand this first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the correct, ma'am.
Is it correct?
Yes,
Anyone is having doubt here? No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. But it's easy.
Yes. Srihari, please mute. Manas, what is the second mixed fraction?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Can you show once more?
2 and 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 4. These are the two mixed fraction you should add. Take the first mixed fraction 2 and 1 by 2. You can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction as 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 is the first mixed fraction. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Second one, he told the second fraction. What is the second mixed fraction?
And 3 and 1 by 4.
Yes, Manas. What is the second mixed fraction?
3 and 1 by 4.
3 and 1 by 4. Dhanvin, please mute. Aditi, how will you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? Second mixed fraction.
3 into 4.
Yes, 3 into 4.
12.
3
Plus
into
1.
4 plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into 4 is
13
how
by
much?
4, ma'am. 12 plus 1. 13 by 4.
13 by 4. Second mixed fraction is 13 by 4. Did you understand this? Two
Yes,
mixed
ma'am.
fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Then
Yes, ma'am.
your topic not completed. Now you should add these two mixed fractions. What is the first mixed improper fraction you got it, Tia?
5. 5 by
5 by 2. Now you should add 5 by 2 and second fraction is 13 by
Ma'am,
4.
13 by 4.
Is it clear? First step,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you should add how you did in the previous topic. How you did it now? Janika?
Ma'am.
Yes, Adidev, why you are not following? Are you having any network issue, Adidev?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, we should add it.
Ma'am, can I say? We will.
Ma'am, should we add it like
Ma'am.
we add the unlike
Yes,
fractions?
Adidev.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Then
Ma'am, I know.
next,
Ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Can I say?
You will say?
Wait.
Ma'am, we will make it into like fractions.
Again, Adidev, what happened to Adidev? I am not understanding. Is he having any network issue?
Maybe, ma'am.
Yes, Adidev. Can you hear me properly?
Ma'am, how will we add the improper fractions?
Can
Ma'am,
you
we
hear
will
me,
make it
Adidev?
into like fractions.
Can you hear me? No, he is having some network issue. Now you have to convert
Ma'am, we will
LCM.
make
You have
improper.
to take it.
Yeah.
2 and 4.
The way
You
we
have
make
to divide
perfect.
by 2. So you will get it as 4. 4 is the LCM. Then these are
Ma'am, we
unlike
should-
fractions. So you should
Ma'am,
add. Again, you take the first fraction.
Ma'am, so we should add it like how we
Yeah.
added.
How you added in the
Yeah.
previous. You will get it as 10 by 4. First fraction reduced to 10 by 4. 13 by 4, you can write it as
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
13 by 4. So you can add both 10 by 4. So 23 by 4. That is
Ma'am,
the,
23 by 4.
yes, 23 by 4. Is it okay now?
Ma'am, so 2 and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 1 by 4 is equal to 23 by 4.
You can convert now into mixed fraction.
how did you got the LCM 4 again?
LCM of 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
I got it as
1 and 2. 2.
I got the LCM.
LCM as 4.
I'm 2. I got it 2.
2?
4. How?
Can you mute?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see how did you got
It's
the
very-
LCM as 4? I got it as 2.
2 and 4, you divide it by 2. 1 and 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 is the LCM. So is it okay?
Okay, now okay.
So shall we do the class notes or again you want examples? Okay, no need of examples. We can do the class notes.
Can you share the code again?
Hey,
Ma'am,
Ravi,
can you
no,
share
no.
the code again? Sorry, Siddhi. Thank you, ma'am. Can you show the board?
Yes, nothing is there. Everything deleted.
My God.
Everything is deleted from the board.
Nothing
there's
is there
nothing
now.
on the way.
Oh no.
Sorry, Siddhi. I thought it was.
Okay, that's okay. No problem.
1 more minute, I will see whether it is there or not. Okay, 1 minute, 1 more minute I will take.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
we do the workbook? Not.
We
No,
can do some
let's
problems.
go.
Is it clear? Srihari, can you explain to Adidev what is his problem?
Ma'am, what should I explain?
That how to add. He is telling nothing he understood. What is his problem?
Adidev, what do you first want to learn? How to add the mixed fractions?
Yes.
That we should first turn the mixed fractions into improper fractions. That you know, right?
Yes.
Then we take the both the mixed fractions and take their denominators and find the LCM.
Okay.
And then we just add how we added the unlike fractions. We should just do the steps. We should take the improper fractions and do it how and add it up how we added the unlike fractions. That is it.
Okay, you try to do
Can
it.
I ask one doubt, Riza?
Yes, Riza.
Ma'am, when I found the LCM, it's 2 by 4, right? So 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. So we got 2 into.
What is 2 into 2 again? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 is the LCM. Yes, next question you can write. First one, addition of mixed fractions.
And can I say that to Riza, ma'am? 4 and 2.
Ma'am, this is going to take a lot of space.
Ma'am, can I do it? Ma'am, can I do it in the rough book, ma'am?
These questions you write in class notes. Addition of mixed fraction.
The calculation. In the
calculation you draw.
Yeah,
and I have drawn a line side in both sides, and the second side I will write
the margin. Here you should write the steps. Here working column. Like that you make the columns. Practice like that. Here you can write the question number. Here steps.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but
I don't make a column.
Ma'am, conversion of mixed fractions into proper fractions. Let me say.
Only one line you draw it. Okay.
Ma'am, for the conversion of mixed fractions into for the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction and the conversion of improper fractions into mixed fractions, I didn't write it in the margin.
Wrote it in the margin. Margin only question number you have to write.
Ma'am, so can I start writing in the margin from addition of mixed fractions?
This one heading you write addition of mixed fraction.
Yes,
add the following questions you write at the top. First question you start from here. 2 and 3 by 5 plus 3 and 2 by 7. Yes, Juwan, what is the first step?
Is the answer for the question 2 and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 1 by 2.
That's not the first.
Yes. 2 and 3 by 5. First fraction you take. Adidev, you can listen once again. So you'll get 2 into 5 plus.
Ma'am, is it the answer for the question 23 by 4?
Wait.
Ma'am, instead of drawing a column, I will just draw it downwards. All the calculations.
2 into 5. You make one line. First one, all of you got 13 by 5 when you converted as mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm still doing.
2 into 3 by, so 2 into 5, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Rayan, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I understand how the 2 into 5, 10 plus 3, 13. And we should do the if 13 by we should do 5. How?
Yes.
How?
5 is the denominator here. Denominator you should write it as common.
Okay, ma'am.
Next
Thank
step you can write 3 and 2 by 7. 3 into 7 plus 2 divided by 7. Okay, time over now, 1:40. Next class I will do it. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Problems we can do it.
Class number.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.